I have not found one this low in forever. It is definitely a low serial number. And take a look at this. Holy cow. Look how low this serial number is. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Hey everyone, it's Rob Finds Treasure and welcome back to the channel. We have $1,001 bills to hunt today. Basically 10 straps of 100 bills. Obviously, I'll be looking for any fancy or cool serial numbers. We'll take any rare star notes. We'll take any web notes, any bar notes, any printing errors, old bills, you name it. And for those that are new to bill hunting or new to my channel, I always have a lot of resourceful and useful links pinned down below in the video description. Feel free to check that out. Or if you find my mat pretty fancy, it's got a lot of information on it. I also have that mat link available right there. All right, let's get to hunting. I've got 10 straps here. These are teller straps. Teller straps are straps that are put together by the bank tellers based on business deposits. I use this bank in particular because even though I do better with Federal Reserve banknotes versus the ones that come from tellers, this bank has a lot of business accounts. And so I know I have found my fair share of good bills from it, and I'm hoping to find some good ones this time as well. All right, we've talked long enough. Let me go ahead and start hunting the bills. I'll give you guys strap recaps at the end of every 100 bill strap unless I find something along the way. I'll see you in a strap recap in just a moment. All right, we finished the first strap and it was a great first strap. We actually got 3 star notes out of the first strap, so that is a tremendous start. We want to find at least 1 per strap, and we got 3 in that one. And as always, we'll be looking up all of the star notes from the star note lookup site that I have listed down below in the video description to see if we have any rare ones. On top of that, we have an older bill. I've been keeping all of the 1999 and older bills for a few subscribers that asked for me to keep them. So I'll put it to the side. It's not a fancy serial number or anything special, but I'll hold on to it for those subscribers. 1 strap down. Let's move on to strap number 2 and see if we can stay on some cool finds. We have finished strap number 2 and the star note barrage continues. 3 more star notes in the second strap. That's 6 star notes already. Through 2 straps, we'll definitely take that. Couple of cool finds. They're not keepers, but they're almosters. This was almost a super repeater. A super repeater is a bill that has 2 numbers repeated 4 times. In this case, we almost had 95, 95, 95, but that first 22 killed us. Had we had 95 there, would have been a super repeater. It's not. It'll go back. And then lucky 7s abound here. I like 5 of a kind in the middle of a bill, or to start it or to end it. We only had 4 of a kind, but because it looks kind of cool, just figured I'd share it. Some people will pay up for lucky 7s with 3 or more in a row. I don't think it's worth keeping, and it's not in great shape. We'll send it back. 3 more star notes. Strap 3 coming up. Strap number 3 brought us back to reality. Only 1 side find. A 1999 note. We'll add it to the older bills. No star notes there. Only 1 keeper. Let's go strap number 4. Strap number 4 has been hunted and it gave us our 7th star note through 4 straps. Good to see another star note. And our first 1995 note. And you do want to check these to see if you have the printing plate, instead of being below 1, above 1 next to In God We Trust. That would make it a web note. I have information on web notes down below. And of course I have them on the mat right here. Definitely want to check your series 88As, 93s, and 95s like we did. We'll still hold on to the bill because it's before 2000. We'll put it with the older bills up there and move on to strap 5, the midpoint of the hunt. Strap number 5, just another star note. That now makes 8 for the hunt. All right, halfway point. 8 star notes is a good set of finds. Hopefully we get 8 more or some cool serial numbers in the second 5 straps. We have finished strap 6. Nothing of real note other than an older bill from 1999 and a couple of bills that were almosters. They look kind of cool. This is a trinary note, and some people do pay more for trinary notes, but it's creased up. It looks somewhat fancy with 0, 1s, and 7s only, and they're not in that bad of order. Of course, it's not a repeater. It's not a radar. It's just a trinary note, 3 different numbers in the serial number. Not one I would hold on to if it's not going to be crisp and uncirculated. The other note here, same thing. Man, it's close. 082, 02800. Another trinary. Looks kind of good, but we're not in the business of keeping a hold of kind of good ones. We need good ones. Little did I know, the very next strap would give us a good one. All right, come on, strap 7. Get us on some good ones. Well, we have finished strap number 7, and I have the serial number blocked. I was going to film it before the end of the strap, but it was like the 5th bill from the end, so I finished up the strap and wanted to film it on its own. Guys, I have not found a serial number this low in at least 5 years of hunting. I have found one, I believe, a little bit lower one time, but I have not found one this low in forever. It is definitely a low serial number. And take a look at this. Holy cow. Look how low this serial number is. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 828. Holy cow. I have not seen a 5-0 bill in forever. And it does have a big crease down the middle and a couple of other creases. But man, that is a low serial number as they come. You know, if it's under 1,000, it's typically $25 to $100, depending on the condition. This is probably more like the $50 range. Could be more to the right collector, but either way, man, that is the lowest serial number I have found in a long time. And that was a good strap. It's the only find of the strap, but I'll take that as an only find any day. We're gonna get that one flipped up here in a second. We have 3 straps to go. Come on, strap number 8. Strap number 8 did as well. 2 more star notes. That now makes 10 star notes through 8 straps. So we're sitting pretty on those. And then I just brought it up because some people do collect the 666 notes. I do not. Now, had it been 66663333, that would have been a quad double, and I would have kept it. Quad doubles are fancy. This one's not. I'm sending it back for obvious reasons. And we're on to strap number 9 now and see if we can score some more goodies. Strap number 9, staying hot on star notes. 2 more. That makes 12 for the hunt with 1 strap to go. Let's see if we can end on a good strap or if it's going to be a tough one for us. The 10th and final strap of the hunt did end with another star note, even though it's been graffitied. It's still another one that's 13 star notes out of 10 straps. Couple of fun finds. Almost a repeater, 5159, 3159. Needed the 3 to be a 5, and it would have been 5159, 5159. It's not, though. And then another close call, only 5 bills off of another repeater, 0720, 0715. Always close calls. Not often do we find great bills. Although, I will tell you right now, we did find a great bill during this hunt. That, to me, is one of my best, lowest finds in a while. I'm happy with it. We also scored 4 older bills, 1999s and 1995s. Nothing older than 95 this time around. And 13 star notes, which I need to go ahead and sort up here, plug them into the star note lookup site, and I'll let you know in just a second if we had any rare ones. All right, so I've plugged in all of the star notes on the left side here. These are the 2013, these are the 2017 A's. All of them are common except for this note right here, 2017 A. And if I bring that serial number up on the computer, the run size is only 500,000, which makes it somewhat rare, but total printed, 4.3 million, makes it less rare. So even though it has a run size of only 500,000, it's not in that great a shape, so I probably won't even consider putting it off to the side. We'll just go ahead and keep it with these. These are done. Let me check the right side, and I'll be back in just a moment. All right, we finished with the right side. They're all common. So 12 of the 13 star notes we found today are common star notes. $1 star notes in decent condition fetch between $2 to $3 a piece. And then if they're more rare like this one, maybe an extra buck. Obviously, if they have a low run size and a low total printed, they can fetch a lot more in crisp, uncirculated condition. The best find, like I said earlier, is going to be this super low serial number. Holy cow. Feels good to find one. It has been a long time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this 1,000 bill hunt with me today. If you did, I certainly would appreciate that thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting and thanks for watching.